Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'm with a bunch of flyers. You guys remember Ashley and Eli?
Yes.
So the thing is, they told me that Eli bought a new car, and the new car was going to be a Glanza. But Eli,
Yo,
what about the Glanza?
it's all good, man. All-wheel drive, amazing car. Amazing car.
So guys, let's check out Eli's Glanza.
Welcome back to Messing with Richard's YouTube channel. As you saw, I said I bought a Glanza, but I bought a WRX. As you can see, it's a full kit, full STI kit. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, the reason why I bought it is because I love Subaru, and also Ashley convinced me to buy it, and also my friend Arton, he showed me it, and I was like, I mean, it's a good car. As you can see, beautiful car, recently painted, the rims. Everything's amazing with the car. Just a few little minor details you have to fix, but it's not that important.
You know, when a car fits the owner, I think the Subaru goes well with the owner. Ethan, what do you guys think or not? I think it's a beautiful car, Eli. So enjoy it, and
I will protect her.
yes, I hope you enjoy it to the max and stay safe. You know.
Yes, of course.
Alright, so guys, right now we're on our way to Kale's house. We're gonna pick up a few goodies and we're gonna check out his cool car. So let's go. So guys, we arrived at Kale's house. As you guys know, every car guy, every car people has their people too. So we have a mean Volkswagen Golf here. This thing is a beast. What? So this is my boy Kale. Kale, kita Kiko. Cool, doing his thing. So we came here today because Ashley is going to gain some horsepower by applying our web creation sticker on her car. So let's check it out.
Sakit sukni aku tu boleh memai kena ya. Siapa sakit lagi bau? Apa tu tinggi kita ini tu? Ini subinti kisah ya. Satisfaksi deste.
No, the unequal. The unequal.
The unequal?
Yeah.
Não sei se Digo, que secreto de ti? Você tante aguantame como brother?
Sí, si no ando comienza a salir. Abre libros de los cuentos.
A mim me castinha em câmera que eu cheiro. Ai.
Eu me amo da dispábia, por aí eu vou saca.
Está ele FBI me desculpa. FBI me lugar. Di vicino passou. Mi romano tá rua. Tá entendendo me que meu fine com condom, não?
Vera?
Certo, roupa fine. Cuidar assim. É super caro também.
Tá aí, né?
Sim. Andiamo di Sandri per cui boh.
Guys, I'm super excited. I wanted this for like 4 months now, or I think more, right?
I think so,
we
yes.
talked about this when I first messaged you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now,
So
after,
finally, the day has come, and Kale is doing his thing right there. By the way, guys, if you guys are interested on any stickers, contact my boy Kale. His number is here below on the screen. By the way, he's the official sponsor for this episode. So Kale, thank you, my boy.
Anytime, bro. Anytime. Even on a Sunday.
Yeah. Now, guys, RF Creations. How do you feel, Ashley?
I feel honored.
Yes. Are you aware that your car has just gained 5 horsepower?
Yes, I am.
35?
I go so fast.
Clava da. Arabiam.
What's up, guys? My name is Ryan, aka Kale. This is my BMW 846, 3 liters, aka Vato. What can I say? I bought this car 2 years ago in a horrible shape, man. And it stayed up on the jack stands for a year. We changed everything under the car, every rubber, every shocks, arms, everything. And when that was finished, I ordered some nice rims for it, put it on his feet. We put it on the rims, and then I sent it to the Ludis paint shop to give it a new color, because I bought it with a damage on the left side. So I bought a new fender for it, and I sent it off to Ludi's Painting. Shout out to Ludi, good guy, works very nice. And it was a black car. And I decided to go with a two-tone, white and black. So interior-wise, I didn't do much yet. I think that's the next step. I'm going for the bucket seats next. I did put a drift steering wheel in it, and I put in an Android radio. But I'm planning on doing the bucket seat, redo the interior, and maybe a cage, half cage also in the back. So for the future plans, I'm debating in 2 engines. That is of one engine. It's gonna be a V8 of a 5 series, or I'm gonna do this 3-liter turbo. But I'm still debating on that. But it's a 3-liter, so it's already, you got power already. Yeah, I just want to take a couple of minutes to thank everybody that helped me with the build. It's Ludi's Painting for the color. I have Chiki. He helped me with everything, with the shocks, differentiation. The guy that polished the car for me. This is Chiki. I want to thank RH Lab, Fab Lab, Ronjeric for the exhaust, and K Designz for helping me out with the wrap inside. You know, the best in town, K Designz. Thank you.
ni se deja llevar. Combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú, ya, ya, ya. Combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú. Ella es mi carrera, perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella es mi gata, yeah, ella es mi gata, ya, ya, ella es mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella es mi gata, yeah, ella es mi gata, ya, ya.
Un traguito destiné pa' la gata en la barra. Te vi por internet en una playa.
So guys, we've reached the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank all of the guys who came today. We have Ayrton, we have Kaiser, Eli, Ashley. Kim had to go home. I want to thank Kale also for sponsoring today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.